I went around the sink and made sure it's super clean with the rag. And now what I want to do, get my new disposal. As you can see it right here. It's a little different. I already got my cord on it. What you want to do, remove the top. It's very simple. You're gonna push right here, just like we did on the old one. You're gonna push this down, hold this up, push this down, and it's gonna come out. As you can see, I'm gonna push this aside. This is the whole assembly. It's just what we just took off. So you're gonna remove this right here. How you do it, like we did, we got the screws off. So you're gonna get a screwdriver in a second. Here's my screwdriver. So loosen this up. As you can see, I'm gonna loosen this up. So just loosen up a little bit for now. What you want to do is, you can see that ring right there. Get a screwdriver and pull it out. I guess you should loosen up a little bit more. It's just easier. Loosen up all over. You can just use your hands. See that ring right there? It's easier to see, to do. Just pop it. Should come out right like that. It's not listening to me. There you go. You see? She came out. Just remember how you took it off, and you see right there. The next piece is this piece, so put it on top. The next piece is this, and the gasket. Just be careful with the gasket, don't break it. So this is the top of the sink. You want to put the plumber's putty on top. I bought one right here. I put it in the description if you want to buy it online or whatever, if you can't find it in the store. So you want to put it all around here, about ½ an inch. So I'm gonna do that right now, and I'll see you in a second. So I just wanted to show it to you, so maybe you don't know how to do it. So just get a piece out and just start pushing it down here, right on the edge of it. Make it nice and even, as you can see. Gonna get a good amount on here. Make a nice seal. You don't want leaks or anything. So I'm gonna get a little bit out, putting it around. Not that hard, guys. So once you got it, what you want to do, find the right here. It says front, and just face it towards you, because if you want to see the name right there, you see, and just push it down. You don't have to push it too hard. Make sure that it's even. Drop it down and just push on it. So as you can see, the putty will come out. It's okay though. Just leave it like that. Don't move it. Leave it alone, because when you're gonna attach the disposal, we'll pull it down and make a nice seal all around it, and then you can remove it in the end, because it will dry out and be easy to remove. So push it down. Don't move it. And let's go to the next step, guys. So guys, when we have the top on, we want to get the gasket and put it up there. Just stick it in there. It should stick because of the putty. Next thing you want to do, put this right here. As you can see, the flat side up. So you put it in there, and you want to get this right here. It's you're gonna have to hold it with both hands. To help you out, make sure you get the screws loosened like right there, so the top is shorter than this side. It'll be easy for you to attach the ring in the end, as you can see. So let's try this. So put in the flat up, as you can see. While holding that up, put that in there. Just get the edges. You'll know how it feels. So you see, now it's gonna look like that, as you can see. See, every screw is gonna have its groove. Oops, it fell off. Okay, I'm gonna do it again, guys. So put this up. Put this up. gonna get a feel for it. So that's in. Now I'm gonna get the ring and just put it in there while holding this up. I'm gonna hold it from the top. I don't want to while pushing. So it clicked in, you see? So now I don't have to hold it. Now you want to do, push this up and get the screws in as much as you can. With the hand first, as far as you can. Alright, this one's up as much as you can, guys, with the hand. Alright, now get the screwdriver, find my screwdriver, and tighten it up. Try to go evenly so make things easier. Alright. While I'm doing this, the putty on top is getting really tight, making a nice seal. It's kind of hard from this angle. Make sure you evenly tighten them up, the screws, and don't over tighten though. So after you done that, you want to get the pipe back in there to make it easier for you. That's what I'm gonna do. You don't have to do it, but put it back in there. I had to get the rubber piece from the extras that they gave me because I needed to go straight. My pipe is gonna go straight, so I got the rubber piece in the end so I can attach it. I know it's still dirty inside, but whatever. So I'm gonna put it in there, make it easier for me so I don't have to make two things at a time. I'm gonna get my disposal and I'm gonna make sure the hole facing the way I need it to face. Align it. Alright, that's good. So that's how it's gonna be. Oops, it's falling off. Align it. Get it in there. Now you're gonna get this right here and you're gonna twist it until all three align on top of the groove. So when you align all three sides, you'll be able to turn it this way and it will lock up. So get a screwdriver or the tool you have, just put it in here and go to the right. See, I'm turning it so it's on. All you have to do, you gotta turn it all the way till the end though, to the end of the groove. So I'm gonna keep turning it, make it really tight. Okay, this is good. It's good so far. Let me check the back. Alright. Should be really, really tight. Make sure I pull it. Now I'm gonna put these in here, as you can see it, and get the screws. Comes with 2 screws. You put them in there. So guys, make it nice and tight in here, both sides. Now you want to do this side, get it all in there, tighten it. Get it nice and tight. You probably want to get an adjustable wrench and tighten up, but I'm pretty confident in myself I can really tighten it up. Got some string. So get it really tight until it doesn't move. As you can see, it's all good now. I'm gonna double check right here. More tight. It's really tight, guys, so make sure the top is good shake it a little bit. It's all good. I made sure I tightened the top. Really nice and tight over here. It's all good, guys. So now what you want to do, add the power, plug it in. I'm just gonna plug it in. Alright, it's in. On the top here, you guys want to remove all the putty. It's pretty simple. Should come out easily. Let me see. So just pull it out. See? I had a little water in here on accident, so it came out pretty easy. I think I overdid it with the potty. Let me wipe it off. See, nice and clean. Nice seal. Have to clean it out. I'm gonna turn on the water on and see how it works. If you have any leaks on the bottom. So you can see, nice and tight in here. Looks good, really good. You can see, now you turn the water on. You can see, I'm gonna feel around the gasket, feel around the top, any water coming out, the bottom, around the pipes again. So I don't feel anything, no water so far. I hope there won't be no water in the future. I'm gonna turn on the disposal. See any water leaks? I don't see any water leaking at all. So good, guys, that's how you install it. I hope you liked the video. Please comment below if you have any questions, and have a nice day.